Updating your billing address on PancakeSwap is a straightforward process that ensures your account information is current. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the PancakeSwap platform and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure connection to protect your account information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find Billing Information. In the Account Settings, look for the section labeled Billing Information or Payment Details. This is where you can view and edit your billing address. Step 4. Update your address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing address, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new information is stored. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on PancakeSwap. Keeping your information current helps ensure smooth transactions and account management.